Hello and welcome to our video about easy ways to boost your mood. Life can be stressful and overwhelming, and it's important to take care of ourselves and our mental health. In this video, we'll share some simple tips and tricks to help you feel happier and more positive. Whether you're feeling down, stressed out, or just need a little pick-me-up, these techniques are designed to be easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some practical strategies for improving your mood. The first way to lift your mood is to listen to upbeat music. Turn on your favorite songs and let the music do the job. The second method is to get moving. Exercise is a great way to release endorphins and improve your mood. Even a quick walk or stretch can help. The third way is to practice gratitude. Take a few minutes to focus on the good things in your life and express gratitude for them. The fourth method is to connect with loved ones. Reach out to friends or family members and chat or spend time with them. The fifth way is to do something you enjoy. Whether it's reading a book, cooking a meal, or watching a favorite movie, take time to do something that brings you joy. The sixth method is to get outside. Spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Take a walk in a park or go for a hike. The seventh way is to laugh. Watch a funny video or tell a joke to a friend. Laughter can be a great mood booster. The eighth method is to treat yourself. Do something nice for yourself, like taking a relaxing bath or buying a small treat. That concludes our video on simple ways to boost your mood. Remember, everyone has bad days, but it's important to take care of yourself and find ways to lift your spirits. Whether it's listening to music, spending time with loved ones, or treating yourself to something special, these small actions can make a big difference in how you feel. So, the next time you're feeling down, try one of these methods and see how it works for you. Thank you for watching, and take care.